Cast iron cookware is known for its durability, heat retention, the ability to be used at very high temperatures, and possesses a feature to be used as a stick-resistant cookware. Hey guys, I'm Shivangi Gupta and I'm going to guide you on how to use, stock, clean and season your cast iron cookware in order to transform it into a stick-resistant surface, a legacy that you can pass on to generations. Make sure you grab onto all the details that I'm about to share. It will be very helpful for many of you who are seeking the right way to use this product. Many of you think that using a cast iron cookware is challenging and hard to deal with. Well, it's easy to make it work as it's a healthier option, it is chemical free and it increases the iron content of your food. So a cast iron is the best way to get a healthy meal done and I'll show you how. The process involves seasoning of the cast iron cookware by applying a generous amount of neutral vegetable oil you can find. Rub the oil on the front and back of the cookware with a paper towel covering the whole area of the product. After oiling the product, heat it at a very high temperature until the cast iron starts emitting smoke. Once you notice the absorption of the oil by the cast iron cookware, switch off the heat and set the cookware aside to cool down at room temperature, and then repeat the process. Now you have a good seasoning coat on your cast iron cookware. For an impeccable seasoning, repeat the process 5 to 6 times, which will take about 45 minutes and will benefit in preventing the cast iron from rusting and giving it a natural black look. Seasoning your new cast iron cookware is an important process which allows oil to be released into the iron, creating a stick-resistant and rust-proof finish. Please note, this makes it easy release and not non-stick. Now let's proceed to the cleaning process of the cast iron cookware. Remove all food residue by cleaning your pan with hot soapy water and a stiff brush. You may also take a mixture of oil and salt and scrub the surface where it has rusted. You may warm up the pan slightly on the stove top and make this process easier, or may simply wipe it with a damp cloth. Even if the surface gets rusted in few parts, don't worry as it is completely natural. The rust can be eliminated by scrubbing the part off instantly and repeating the seasoning process. The seasoning process gets better with time. The more you cook, the more natural seasoning will be done. This will help in making the cookware stick resistant. For storing, dry promptly and thoroughly with a lint-free cloth or a paper towel. Place the paper towel in between the pans while stacking to absorb moisture. Dry well to prevent rust. Hope this video was very informative for you guys, and if